Okay, right now, are we up or we still will trending down for Shiba and Dodge and the other coin? We're gonna discuss this right now because right now most of them are up. However, we've been trending up and down and trending down in big picture for a while. So how we make sure that we reverse them for sure and go to all-time high for all of them? So this is important question that will be answered in this video. So let's go here and we can see all of them are green right now. So if we go in Shiba first, it's 15% up right now and bumping, and we didn't visit the 0.4021. However, we visit the 0.4027 as we said, and we even dipped below. Right now we still in bearish momentum. Okay, even this jump up, I will be extra careful because what's going on right now, we still have this exponential average here. Look, this is bearish, still bearish. However, right now we have a massive test to confirm this reversal, which is the 0.4033. Just mark this price, because if we go here and get rejected, is mean we're gonna see the price go at least but to 0.4029. okay, this is will be happening pretty soon. Even we got 15% up, just see the big picture, we went even bigger, 60% down. So any price momentum move like 15-20%, don't say the market is reversing, but this is normal. Okay, this is retail trader buying, still not big whales buying. If we see a big whale buying, this is will happen. This is what happened. Okay, not 15%, will be 200%, 300% at least. Okay, so this is will be thing to note right now. We have charging up right now. We'll be waiting to see if we're gonna see a reversal here around Z33 or not. If we said, as I said, if we break this and close above, this means starting reversal to go to 0.4043. And if we go for Dogecoin, for Dogecoin is right now for Dogecoin is looking really good, because we have indecisive candle for our candle around the 0.16, and it's not closing around it, but still fighting. Okay, even for Matic. Okay, Matic is perfect testing and rejection around the $2.43. So I'll be extra careful. Right now Matic is the first coin who tests the resistance and got rejected first. Okay, right now for Shiba is still, that's why it's still bumping around the 16, because the resistance is still far a bit. And for Dogecoin, as I said, right now the momentum is slowing because really near the resistance, which is the 0.16. So I would be watching. If we close here, would be nice. We can actually make a trade for Dogecoin after we have a 1 hour candle closing. You see, we don't have a closing candle above. If we have a closing candle right now above this level, I will go on Bitget and open my position for Bitget around Dogecoin. As I said, you can use Bitget as well, because I use it as well. You can use the link in comment section below to get 158 USD trial fund, and you can use it here on USD Tether future. Okay, risk free, and you can trade with me right now with the Rivero USD Tether 158. So let's get right to it and see if we could actually make a trade right now for Dogecoin. And for Dogecoin, as I said, let me just go here. Okay, so Dogecoin is not clear enough, because we waiting until we have 0.16 to close above. If we close here, this will be a nice trade to take, to get in order to take the trade until the 0.17. If we calculate, this will be nice trade, 10% up for us for Dogecoin if we have this trade. Okay, this one will be it for Dogecoin to break. As well for Gala right now is testing the most important level of resistance, which is the 0.37. okay, we get near this resistance level for Gala. We might go rejected and go to test the 0.34 again. As I said, Matic is the first one got rejected around the resistance. So be careful from right now to confirm the reversal or not for a lot of coin. Okay, as I said, join us in Patreon and Discord if you want alert for a lot of Bitcoin, and hunt with us to make money where the market go down and going up. We do, and we make money the same time. Okay, be clever and don't just rely on the news. They told you just buy. Know when you sell to take a profit. Know when you buy, when the big whales come in and buy. Okay, so without further ado, see you in the next update.